Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change work hours in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First thing you need to know is that work hours are actually controlled by Outlook on Microsoft 365, not directly in Teams. So you're going to head over to your Outlook. You can either open web or desktop application, and then you're going to click on settings over here and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on calendar and you'll be able to see show work week as, so you can simply select the work days that you want, and you can also select the start time of your meeting and the end time of your meeting hours, and then once done you can simply save that to your settings. And the other way is that you can go to your Microsoft 365 account settings. So once you sign into your account, you can simply head over to settings, calendars, and change your work hours from here as well, and it will update time and save it. So after updating, status shows available only during the work hours that you have selected, and calendar availability also updates, and meeting scheduling respects new timings. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.